Hey guys, what are we doing today?
DinoTrux!
We have a DreamWorks DinoTrux Tail Twistin Revvit. DinoTrux is a Netflix original show. Let us know in the comments if you watch DinoTrux and click the thumbs up button if you like Revvit, or let us know who's your favorite DinoTrux character. This one is T-Rex. And let's see. These are the other characters that you can get. You have Revvit, there's Tortool, Waldo, and Scrap-It. Oh, look. You can roll it out. You can roll it to make this one. And then you also have a cutter, which is Revvit's tongue. And you can switch bits to make different shapes. And you also have your own bit bugs. You can make your own bit bugs from the molds. Also, it comes with two crater doughs. Okay, let's get it out from the box. This is everything that's inside our box. We got our goo, our Revvit with the different bits that you can change.
And
we got the roller,
and we got the knife,
and we got the mold.
And we got the knife for Revvit.
Just to clean.
We got
okay, let's try it out, guys.
Yay!
Let's open your crater doughs. Can I borrow Revvit? Hold on,
Hello! What are you doing, guys? Hello, Mommy. Hello, Aya. Hello, Taylor. Yay! Hey, it's a driver.
okay, let me borrow Revvit, Taylor. So this is Revvit. He is...
Oh, they smell good. They don't smell good.
He is T-Rex friend.
Oh, guys, yes, my buddy.
And
I'm gonna slice into it.
we put our bits here. You can move it forward to open it. It says lock and open. Oh, right. This one. You can... This is how you let the Play-Doh go out. So, can you give me some dough, Leah? Can you give me some dough? I'm gonna put this. Okay, let's roll this dough. Put it in here.
Look at my foot, guys.
What is it, Taylor?
It's a bug.
Taylor's bug. He made a bug. Okay, so get it inside. Okay, lock and load. Look at this, guys, and then you twist this one.
Where's this tongue? Tongue come out. Oh!
Ooh, look at that. Look at this.
Yeah, it's a sticky. Yep. kit.
And then, look guys, you can use these bits, you can put it here. So when they come out, so when the dough comes out, oops, I think we need to lock it first.
When they booger my bug.
Uh-oh.
Bug.
Look at that. I think we need to...
Oh no, my bug! I'm too fat in it. I'm making some pizza.
Let's open it up. What are you doing there, guys?
I'm making that. I'm making yellow skin. Yellow skin.
So you can put this in
My natural bug.
and lock it.
Look at my other bug. Guys, look at what I made.
Look at Taylor's other bug. And then you can change your bits. You have 4 here.
Guys, look at what I made, a happy face.
Do you want to try the roller?
Yeah. Hey, now guys, look at my bug.
Taylor flat his bug.
Let me get all of my Play-Doh.
So you can use this one to clean up your bits.
Look at my other bug. Look at my other bug, buddy.
Look at your other bug, everybody.
You need to make sure it's as flat as possible.
Okay, and give me the roller, Liam. For the roller, you put this here in the feet.
Cut it up. This is how to cut it.
Here, who wants to try rolling on their flat Play-Doh?
Okay. I need to make it flat so the wheel can go. So you see the Play-Doh yellow skin.
Come on. So you need to push. You could push it harder.
Okay, hold
Oh.
on. You said hold on.
This is another one of Taylor's bugs.
Now you got my bug. My bugs.
No more bug. So where is that Play-Doh? I want to smush it.
No! Not my bug. No! Not bird!
And this is Revvit's tongue, which you can also use to cut. And you put it inside here.
Much too bug. Yeah. Ew.
Do you want to try and put it here inside?
I'll put it inside.
Hold on, let me get this out.
Yeah.
Okay, there.
Okay.
You need to roll it first. Roll some. Need to put some more.
Mama, I want to do what?
Let Taylor try it first. Okay. Close. Do you want to change something here? Do you want to use something?
Yeah, hey,
Do you want to use this one? What do you want to use?
That one.
This one?
Can I do that?
Yes. Hold on. Okay, you
Go.
just twist it, okay?
Okay. Come out, you little boy. I'm not the boy. Wait. It's stuck.
I guess you still need to see. Okay, twist it now. Okay, let us know in the comments if you love our Revvit, Tail Twistin Revvit. And thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
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 Boom!
Nobody can stop Spider-Man with his web.
Go, Iron Man, go!
And both of you are down.
Yeah!